Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Rahul Medi. So today we are going to talk about the benefits of ashwagandha. So before going to start my video, I'm going to show you the product which I have purchased from the Amazon. Ashwagandha with black pepper extract. So it is a 60 capsules you can use twice a day after your meal. So ashwagandha is an ancient medical herb. It is an adaptogen. It means like it helps your body manage stress, and also it's the most important herb in Ayurvedic, and also an alternate form of medicine based on Indian principles of natural healing. So by this you can say it's like totally Ayurvedic, and also there are a lot of benefits. I'm going to explain you further. So coming to the history, like it has been used like almost 3000 years to relieve stress and also increase energy levels and improve concentration. The second benefit of ashwagandha. So ashwagandha, it helps to lower the blood sugar levels both in healthy people and as well as the diabetic patients. There is a small study which has been done on the 6 people with type 2 diabetes supplementing with the ashwagandha for 30 days, and the results were so shocking that there have been the lower blood sugar levels in the fasting. So let's move on. The third benefit of ashwagandha, it helps to reduce the cortisol levels. So cortisol is a stress hormone. Given that your adrenal glands, it releases it in response to the stress, and as well as when your blood sugar level gets too low. Unfortunately, in some cases cortisol levels may become chronically elevated, which may result in high blood sugar levels and fat storage in abdomen. So some studies have been proven that ashwagandha may help to reduce the cortisol levels. So let's move on to the fourth benefit of ashwagandha. The fourth benefit of ashwagandha, it helps to reduce the stress and anxiety. Ashwagandha is best known for its ability to reduce stress. So there is a research done on 60 people who consume ashwagandha for straight 60 days have been seen reduce in stress and anxiety disorders. So the fifth benefit of ashwagandha, it helps to boost your testosterone and also increase fertility in men. Ashwagandha is a powerful medicine which helps you to increase your testosterone level and also reproductive levels. There is a study done on 75 group of infertile men who have consumed ashwagandha for a 2 months of time frame have been seen increase in sperm count and motility, and also they have been seen increase in the testosterone level. So let's move on to the sixth and final topic. Sixth benefit of ashwagandha, it helps to increase muscle mass and strength. Research have been shown that ashwagandha, it helps to improve your body composition and muscle strength. There is a research done on the healthy man for 30 days who consumed ashwagandha in a safe dosage have been resulted in gain of muscle strength, and all in another research who took ashwagandha had significantly greater gains in muscle and also doubled the reduction in body fat percentage. By this we can conclude that ashwagandha is a safe supplement, although certain individuals should not be advised to take these supplements like pregnant women and breastfeeding women, and also who are under certain medications. Please be advised by your healthcare providers. Thank you guys. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Stay strong.